The Pile Driving Analyzer, or PDA, is the most widely employed system for dynamic load testing and pile driving monitoring in the world. During construction, accelerometers and strain sensors are attached a minimum of 2 diameters below the pile top. Drilling Template Guide assists in mounting accelerometers and strain sensors to both sides of the pile. Before pile driving begins, the on-site PDA operator inputs pertinent pile data to set up the project. If the pile is not already installed, a crane lifts the pile into the hammer leads. Data is transferred to the Pile Driving Analyzer through a wired or wireless connection, displaying results in real time. When the hammer impacts the pile, a stress wave is generated and travels down and then back up the pile. The stress wave travels down the pile until it reaches the pile toe. This wave is then reflected up to the pile top. Soil resistance is activated when the pile is driven into the soil. When stresses exceed the pile's limits, the pile can break, buckle, or become deformed. The Pile Driving Analyzer monitors these stresses during driving, so adjustments to hammer performance can be made in real time, reducing the potential for pile damage. Capacity results can be viewed in real time through both the case method as well as automated signal matching through the ICAP program during data collection. Data is then further assessed post-installation with the CapWAP signal matching software. The engineer has the option of performing the PDA test on-site or remotely from any location via SiteLink technology. Dynamic test results can then be used to set driving criteria and hammer performance limits for the production piling.